Hi everyone, so today we're going to talk about distributive property and combining like terms. And if you notice in chapter 2, there's two options for the notes. There was sort of more traditional notes, and then there's a hands-on option. So when I did this last semester in class, I gave the students a choice, and those who maybe were a little more familiar with combining like terms or with distributive property chose the more traditional notes and worked through them on their own. And those who wanted a little bit more hands-on experience worked through these notes. So I'll be doing videos for both, but I thought I'd start with this hands-on option, which of course I wish we could be doing in person with manipulatives, but that's not an option this semester, so we'll do it this way. So you may want to have those notes up on your screen as well. So I have kind of a split screen here with both, but I will be showing you things here on the whiteboard. Okay. So in these notes, it says there's one special rule that we have to follow today. Different colors of blocks can never be combined together. Okay, so it says to place the following in front of you: 2 red blocks, 3 green blocks, and 1 blue block. So I have those right here: 2 red, 3 green, and 1 blue. And it says, according to our rule, we can't just say, oh, we have 6 blocks, because we can't combine them together. Okay, we need to keep them separate based on whatever color they are. So we can't do anything but say I have 2 red, 3 green, and 1 blue. Okay, now we're going to put some more blocks in front of us. We're going to put 3 blue blocks. We're going to put, let's see, what does our note say here? 2 green blocks. And 4 red blocks. Okay, so here's my first group of blocks. Here's my second group of blocks. Oops, we need 4 red blocks, don't we? Okay, so again, I can't just say, I have so many blocks, because our rules say that we cannot shove together blocks that are different colors. So what can we do then? How can we write the result? Well, we can't combine blocks unless they are the same color, but we can put 2 groups of the same color together. So in essence, we have this group, and then we're adding this group, and we want to know what it equals, right? So I can put all the red blocks together, and I'm going to have 6 red blocks, 2 from the first group and 4 from the second group. And then for green blocks, I had 3 green blocks. I have 2 more green blocks. So I'm going to have 5 green blocks. And then I want to put the blue blocks together. So I have 4 blue blocks all together. So this is how I can write the result of combining those 2 groups of blocks, right? I can't just combine them all together in one pile, but I can combine them by colors. All right, so we have another one like this. Repeat that same idea with the following groups of blocks. So this time, I'll write it up here in case you don't have it in front of you. We have 5 red. We have, 2 blue. And we have 4 green. So this is our first group of blocks right here, our new set: 5 red, 2 blue, and 4 green. And then we want to add, we have 1 blue, 3 red, and 5 green. So the question is, how can we combine these following the same rule that we did before, where we can't say, oh, 5 red and a blue makes 6, right? We can't do that. We have to just combine within the same colors. So go ahead and take a minute and figure out how we could write this combine like we did here. You can either draw it out or write it out in words. All right, so hopefully you came up with the fact that in all, here's going to be our total, our combination. We're going to have, let's see, I'll write this with the real color. How's that? We'll have 3 blue. We'll have 8 red. And we will have 9 green. So regardless of what order they were given to us in the first place, I took the blue with the blue, I took the red with the red, and I took the green with the green. And if you had this in a different order, if you had 8 red first and then 3 blue and then 9 green, that's fine also, as long as you have the right numbers there. Okay, so we're learning that in our little block world here today, we can only combine blocks that have the same color. So let's do one more. And again, I'll just write up here what we have in case you don't have the notes in front of you. And then you can go ahead and try them. So we're going to have 4 blue. We're going to have 7 red. We're going to have 2 yellow. I don't think I have a yellow marker here, so I'll just use black for that, okay? So 2 yellow. My black one seems a little dead. Hang on one second. Actually, I have this orange. Let's see if this works. Not very well. Okay, so we'll go with black. So 2 yellow. And 3 green. Okay, so this is one group of blocks. Okay, and then I have another group of blocks that is 2 red, 4 yellow, I will go get another marker for that one, sorry, and 1 green. And then I have another group, so this time we have 3 groups. That's going to be 3 blue, 2 red, and 5 yellow. And this one here was 4 yellow. Okay, so 4 blue, 7 red, 2 yellow, 3 green. And we have another group, 2 red, 4 yellow, 1 green. And another group, 3 blue, 2 red, 5 yellow. Okay, so we want to combine all of these. So go ahead, take a minute and think about how I would combine all of these. What would my total look like? Again, whether that's in pictures of blocks or just in writing. Okay, so hopefully you thought about, combining on the same colors again. The difference here is that we don't have every color in every group, but that's okay. So if we're looking at blues, we have 4 blues, we have no blues here, and we have 3 blues. Altogether, that's 7 blues. With reds, we do have reds in every group. So we have 7, and 2 more is 9, and 2 more is 11. So we have 11 reds. Yellows, we have 2, and 4 is 6, and 5 is 11. And then for green, we have 3, and 1 is 4, and none to add in from that last group. So we just have 4 greens. So again, excuse me, again, we are looking just at the letters or the colors and just combining things of the same color. Okay, so I'm going to stop here because my time is almost up. And then I will do the next video. We'll keep going in this in these notes, and we'll kind of start moving from this into something that looks a little bit more algebraic.